Woo 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 woo. The stars are shining. Oh babe. Do not get out of his car. Do not get out of his car. He is finally. Oh? Here it comes. You're holding onto the scammer's money so tightly. I said, let's go over there, don't leave. Why wouldn't I go over there and get hit? I'll hit you. If you break it, you can't beat it. You can't hit it. It's just not tiring. Today it suddenly rained heavily. Wash away all the grievances, everything they endured all these years. My God, what a drive. Amazing. Oh my God. No way. Do not. Oh? Your little dear is out. Someone allows for principles. Right. Is that right? Nothing much. I'm responsible for getting the goods. I'm not even responsible for unloading for you yet. Right? I get the shipping fee. We get the commission fee. Unload if you want to. Don't believe it if you don't. Whatever, unload if you want to. Won't let it if you don't. Then I took the order from the platform. I don't have a fixed source of goods either. Also, we can go, right? Let's go. Okay. Yes, we can go like this. I'll go this way. Let them pass first. Don't shut it. It can pass. Why can't it pass? Oh my God. You good, you bear. He's coming. This car hit again. This deserves the death penalty. It's 300,000. Then detoxify. This deserves the death penalty. It's 400,000. Did this guy bite it? Can show off like this. You have several children over there. Played a lot when I was little. Pure happiness together. On the familiar streets. Someone will use all the tenderness. Shout out your. You said that this building doesn't have so many people coming. This one too. This is too shocking. I've never seen such a big one before. Yeah. He bought the homestead from the residents himself. there's how FA.
Hongwuzhen Dasagum 96. Nothing can stop your yearning for freedom. A life of freewheeling imagination. Your heart is free from worries. Through the dark years. Also,